Smile detection in AI Connect. To create a program to detect if the person in the image is smiling or not, create a project in AI Connect. Create AI coding activity in this project. Then follow the given steps. Step 1. Drag and drop load image block from facial features subcategory mentioned under AI learning category. Block code. Textual code. Step 2. From the logic category, take the if2 block and extend it with the else command. Block code. Textual code. Step 3. Add == block in the blank space of if-do block. In == block, add numeric block 0 block on the right side. Add get face count block from facial features subcategory to the left side of == block. Then click on arrow of get face count block and select smile to make it get smile count block. Get smile count block is used to detect whether a person is smiling or not. Block code. Textual code. Step 4. Provide the output statement for the person is smiling or not. This result will be printed. The concept behind the following coding is, if the count of smile in the image is 1, the program should print the smiling, else print not smiling. Get smile count is equal to 1 means the person is smiling in the image. Block code. Textual code. Step 5. Add show image without border block. Block code. Textual code. Once the code is complete, follow the given instructions to upload the image. 1. Click on the load image block. 2. Click on the browse button to select the image from the system and click on submit button. 3. After that, click on the run button and check the result.